Hi everyone, let us start with SetLanguage exercise 1.6 and question number 12 today. Each student in a class of 35. So how many students are there? 35. At least plays at least one among chess. So let us take this as A and carrom. So let us take this as B and table tennis. So take this as C. So now there is 35 students. So I have to write A union B union C as 35. And then 22 play chess. Our chess is A. So n of A is equal to 22. And 21 play carrom. So n of B is equal to 21. I have taken B as carrom. And table tennis is 15 play table tennis. So we have to put 15 here. Now 10 play chess. So 10 play chess and table tennis. And means intersection. So chess and table tennis. A intersection C is 10. And then 8 play carrom and table tennis. Carrom and table tennis is B and C. So that is B intersection C. 6 play all the 3 games. So these are the given steps. We have to find out number of students who play chess and carrom but not tennis. One thing is we don't have this number. Chess and carrom. N of A intersection B. Chess A and carrom B. So before going to our question, let us solve this and keep it for later use. So let us solve this. Before solving this question, we have to see the formula for this. N of A union B union C is equal to N of A plus N of B plus N of C. You have to add all this and then subtract the two intersection sets. Subtract all this and then again add the common intersection. So remember, you have to add the bigger sets, subtract the smaller intersections and again add the intersection. So with this formula recap, let's move on to our question. I have written the formula here for finding out A intersection B. So let us substitute the values. A union B union C is nothing but 35. So then now n of A is here 22 and n of B is 21 and n of C is 15 and then n of A intersection B intersection C is 10 minus n of A intersection C minus A intersection n of A intersection B is not given. That is the one we have to figure it out. So let us put it as such. N of A intersection B and n of A intersection C is 10 and n of B intersection C is 8 plus 6. So be careful with the values. Now see, this is only one left out. So let's keep the, since it is in negative sign, I'm just moving this part along to the other side of the equation. So it will be easy to calculate. N of A intersection B is equal to, now this 35 we have to move to the other end. So it becomes minus 35. I'll write it at the end. So let us clump this together. 22 plus 21 plus 15. 2, 4, 5, it is 58. So 58, this n of intersection B has gone to the other side. So leave it and let's club this also. Minus 18 and then you have a plus 6. Then I will put this 35. Since this 35 is positive, it comes as minus 35. So this is again numbers, you just solve it and you will get 11 as your answer. So now n of A intersection B is 11. Now let's move on to our question. So in their question, they have asked number of students who play chess and carrom but not table tennis, only chess and only carrom. Use Venn diagram as your hint is given. So let's start drawing our Venn diagram. So in order to draw the Venn diagram, let me move this a little up. So we'll get some space. And yeah, let's draw a little bigger circle because we have to do some calculations here. And when you also draw any Venn diagrams, if you are having calculations, make it a little bigger enough so the calculations are not that tricky. Okay, so now what we have to do is this. Let me draw it again. Yes. So this is our Venn diagram. So now let us write the symbols for this. So this is our set A and this will be our set B and this will be our set C. So now it is given. Let us start with this intersection part. Always start with this. If you are doing any calculations in the Venn diagram. A intersection B intersection C is equal to 6. So I am going to put 6 here. And then B intersection C is equal to 8. B intersection C means this whole part is equal to 8. That is also another 6 here. So don't put 8 directly. You have to put 8 minus 6, which is equal to 2. Okay. So now this part is done, and then you have to figure out A intersection C, which is 10. So A and C, this full part, right? Again, you can't put your 10 directly. So you have to put 10 minus of 6, which is equal to 4. Okay, it is not clear, so I am writing it outside. So this part is 10 minus of 6, which is equal to 4. So let me put my 4 here. And then this is done. We found out one thing. Then of A intersection B is equal to 11. Where is A intersection B? This side. A and B where it's joined. So this part is 11. So you can write 11 minus 6, which is equal to 5. Okay. So now the next things we can fill up one by one. N of A is equal to 22. So this entire circle is 22. So we have to put 22 minus of this number 5, which we figured out, minus 5 minus the center circle, minus 6 minus 4. Hope you understood this. I am finding only this part. So that is 22 minus 6 minus 4. So that will be 22 minus 6 minus 4 is 22 minus 11. This is 6. We have to club all these minuses together for easier calculation. So that is 6 plus 1 is 11. That will be here. I am writing it outside. 22 minus 15. Because 10 plus 1, 11, and plus 1, 15. That is equal to 7. So this part is 7. So only left over is these two parts, and let us check what is this. In this side it's given n of b is equal to 21. So let us write here 21. What is minus? Can you say? Yes. Minus 5. This stuff we have to minus this part, and 6 and here 2. So minus 5 minus 6 minus 2. So this will be 21 minus. So that will be 13. Okay, 11, 12, 13. So that is equal to 8. So number of students of this B is 8 and this A is 7. So now n of C is 15 again. So we can calculate it here. 15 minus 4 minus 6 minus all the intersections. You have to minus it. Minus 4 minus 6, that is 10 minus 12, that will be 15 minus 12, that is equal to 3. So now if you see, we have found out all the answers. So if we go to the question, I think our question is solved. Just we have to match out what is your answer here. Number of students. So first let's take a different color. Okay. So now if you see number of students who play chess and carrom. Our chess is A. So this is our chess and this is our carrom. Number of students who play chess and carrom, and this is our table tennis. And not table tennis. So which part you have to take? This is, if this is your chess and this is your carrom, you have to take out your tennis. So this part, this is your chess and carrom intersection. But you don't need this table tennis. So this will be your chess and carrom. So let's try it again. Chess and carrom means you have to take these two. But the third circle is also coming into picture. So where does the third circle make the shaded part? Over here. So you have to take only this area, which means 5 is your answer. So this is your chess and carrom, but not table tennis. So the answer for this is 5. Second one, only chess. Only chess is here, this part. This part. You don't have to include the other part. So that is 7. Only chess is 7. Same way, only carrom. What is only carrom? We have figured it out over here, this side of the circle. They play only carrom. Many play carrom. Carrom is played by around 21 people. But only carrom is only 7. So here this answer is 8. Hope you understood this question. So first, since we found this A intersection B, it was easier to calculate on this. I'll give you a easier note of this or the clear note of this in the next one. Thank you.